Ben Holka here with Maverick Advantage. Today we got a new product, the Sport Side View Mirror Set, and we're going to be putting it on this pretty sweet 2020 Kawasaki Teryx.
This mirror is sold three separate ways. It is sold to fit the Lock and Ride, which is your Polaris Profit and K&N profiled cabs. Sold as a 1.75 roll bar, which is your Polaris RZR and Honda 1000. It is also sold as a 2.01 roll bar, which is your K&N Maverick, Kubota RTV 900 1140, and your Honda Talons. For this Kawasaki Teryx, we're going to be using the 1.75 clamps, a 5/16 Allen head, and a 10mm socket drill. First step of installation will be to install your 1.75 clamp around the roll bar as shown. As you can see, this mirror will work with the windshield installed on your machine. To install the mirror to the bracket, you will use the supplied bolt, flat washer, and spacer. Once that is installed, the mirror installs as such. And then using your 5/16 Allen head, tighten the mirror to the clamp. Once the mirror is installed in the machine, you might notice it a little loose and moving. The last step will be to tighten it using your 10mm socket. There's a screw underneath the mirror. Now that your mirrors are installed, you're ready to ride.